안녕하세요 여러분, 가지신입니다. In this video guys, I want you to join me to unbox this gift from Kfriends guys. I'm super excited and I want to share it with you guys.
So the June mission for the KINFLUENCER Academy is HEUNG. Do you know the HEUNG of Korea? That's high spirit, fun and excitement. And the way to experience HEUNG of Korea is through drinking, through eating, through being happy. So I'm going to be unboxing this gift. It's from Korea and it makes me happy.
So I was able to win the Kfriends mission for the month of April, and I was sent this package from Korea, from Kfriends and Korean tourism organization. Okay, so let's go ahead to unbox this guys.
Welcome to my channel. This is a Korean channel. It's a new channel. So guys, my channel is named Nigerian Korean Lover. It's a channel born out of the interest of the Korean culture art. Okay, I'm also interested in collaborating. You know, if you love Korean culture or if you want me to like review Korean products, you can email me and you can send me a DM. So I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I hope that you join me in this ride as I make videos.
So guys, this is package I'm going to be unboxing. So let's jump right into unboxing it. Okay. First of all, I got my letter from Kfriends, which is super exciting. And it says, "Hello Kfriends, congratulations on being selected as a monthly member of excellence for the month of April, and we hope you like this gift. You won a traditional Korean MAKGEOLLI making kit, and let us know what you think about this gift in the community. And thank you for your continued interest in mention a few." Okay, so we have our letter first, and the next thing in the box is this, guys. Wow. This is the MAKGEOLLI kit, guys. Yay!
So let's do a close shot of the unboxing video, okay? So guys, let's look at what is inside this strainer. That's the safe. Okay, so these are the two things inside, and the first of all is a sticker. Okay, and the next is this is like a brand story, like instruction book, tasting notes and pairing. And then this is our safe, guys. Okay, and then this is our salnut powder, rice powder that we're going to use to make the MAKGEOLLI wine. And I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this out. Here has all the old instructions, how to do it, how to go about it, to mention a few.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.
So guys, I have a video of me making the MAKGEOLLI and drinking it. It's on my channel. Make sure to check it out. I have a video of my KINFLUENCER mission experiencing the HEUNG of Korea. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.